In this demo of LexLab's platform, we will demonstrate the autonomous schedule coordination capability of the platform. A DDC inspector is scheduled for concrete testing, but due to material delays, the pour is pushed out. He arrives only to find the work rescheduled, and the new time conflicts with his other duties. Now he's scrambling to reassign the task, wasting valuable hours that could have been spent on other inspections. This demo shows how LexLabs reads schedules, follows up with contractors, detects delays, and automatically assigns the best available inspector, or a backup, based on real constraints. All right, let's jump in. You can start by uploading a project spreadsheet, entering data manually, or syncing directly from tools like Procore or Autodesk. Once that's done, the platform pulls up all active DDC projects in one place. Let's take a closer look at one of them. Concrete testing is scheduled for October 5th at 10 p.m. Fred's currently assigned to be on site. Now, in just a few clicks, you tell the platform which columns to manage. We're selecting people here, so the system can automatically assign inspectors based on schedule changes, delays, or availability. Next, we choose a workflow. For this demo, we're going with resource optimization. Now we set the rules. Hard constraints like required certifications, proximity to the site, availability, and safety compliance. Soft constraints like experience fit, shift preference, and any other inspector preferences. The platform doesn't just match based on static data. It actually reaches out to inspectors in real time to confirm availability and fit. Since this task is concrete testing, we select structural. Hit save. Now we're in the live workflow view. The platform proactively contacts the contractor, Del Tate in this case. It detects a delay, re-optimizes the assignment, and sends the proposed change to the DDC admin for approval. And here, the resource planning check has kicked off. First call goes to Del Tate, the project manager.
Hi Del. I'm calling on behalf of DDC. Fred plans to be at the job site tomorrow at 10 p.m. for concrete testing. Do you see any issues with the schedule?
Yes, unfortunately. The task date has been slipped, and now we will initiate on October 7th at 1 p.m. Can you come then? And bring in slump cone and air content meters too.
The platform checks that Fred has a conflict on October 7th at 1 p.m. It automatically starts finding the next best resource. And it finds Diane. To make sure she is available, the platform calls her.
Hi Diane. This is Socket's assistant calling. Fred's project I-285 Auxiliary Lane, concrete testing unfortunately got rescheduled to October 7th. I found you as the next best resource. Can you confirm your availability at 1 p.m. on October 7th?
Yes, I can make it work, but if it goes beyond 2 hours, I'll have to bail as I have another commitment.
Okay, thanks. Let me arrange for a backup resource as well.
Now the platform tries to find a backup resource, leveraging the resource optimization algorithms and constraints defined. It finds Arsalan and makes a call to confirm his availability.
Hi Arsalan, I understand, on October 7th, you are near Alpharetta for your project all day. Diane might need assistance in case I-285 Auxiliary Lane concrete testing project goes beyond 3 p.m. Can you accommodate and be a backup resource?
Yes, I can make it work.
Now once the platform has secured the resources, it texts back Socket for approval. The moment it's approved, the system updates the project plan and then calls back Del, the contractor.
Hey Del. For the I-285 project, Fred is unfortunately not available, but Diane will be at the site on October 7th at 1 p.m. Arsalan will be the backup. Can you please ensure both have site access?
Yes, I'll make sure. Thanks.
One coordination event is manageable. Hundreds. That's chaos, missed deadlines, cost overruns, bloated teams, and no room for growth. LexLab slashes scheduling and coordination by over 80%. It's low-value work automated. Add disruption management and documentation automation, and you've got a system that scales. For a 20-inspector team, that's $1.5 million in savings and upside, year one. Smarter moves. Faster decisions. Real impact. That's the LexLab's difference.